fellas. We can be that mistake. Let's do this. Hey, y'all.
Hey, guys.
We're Embracing Suck 21.
Yes, we are.
I'm Spencer.
And I'm Daniel.
Coming at you with European Chainsaw Speed Carving Championships.
Hell yeah.
Not added to the weird sports.
Hell yeah. I have a chainsaw, and I recently felled 3 trees. And I know how hard it was. So this is piquing interest to me.
For sure, yeah. And I recently helped my Nana clear out some branches from her tree, and we didn't use a chainsaw. We used those clippy things, the trimmers. Things. Yeah. So this has definitely piqued my interest.
Alrighty.
So
let's do it.
Both interested. Let's go. Just sitting there. Is that vegetable oil?
What is that?
Wow.
So, what's going on?
I don't know. We're
a lot of noise.
Yeah. All we've heard is
chainsaws. So we know that they are there.
Yeah.
Got it.
Hopefully there's some explanation coming up. This is the competition?
This is the competition you don't want to piss anyone off in.
No, because we all have weapons in our hands.
We all have weapons. So they're all... It's going to be interesting to see if they're all doing the same thing.
Yeah.
That must be one noisy as hell competition.
I know. Oh, he's making an owl? Is that an owl?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. I have no idea.
It looks like it.
That's an owl. That's definitely a bunny. Or a rabbit. What? I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it looks like it could be a hummingbird.
It could. Oh yeah, yeah. That's a flex.
Yeah, just,
Is that a fanny pack or is that his underpants?
I hope it's his underpants. Or a fanny pack. I don't know. I'm guessing the competition is all birds.
Probably.
And that, like, I think you're right. That's an owl.
Yeah.
Has to be. The dude with the hummingbird is the one that moved. Oh,
It's a bear.
that guy was like, he had one job, make a bird like everyone else. He was like, nope, bear.
These motherfuckers are bored.
They're like, what are we doing here?
That's how it is with these weird sports. There's nothing else to do in the community. This is how people entertain themselves. I mean, that does take some skill right there.
Like, that's crazy. I couldn't do that.
Me neither. Me neither.
Like, I love how this man took a massive piece of wood and made one of the smallest birds you could make, which is a hummingbird. Another owl, I assume.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, though. I'll bet you it took a lot of skill to master that.
Yeah. That was a good one.
I had to.
Oh my god, you go deaf. You go deaf doing this sport.
Yeah, that's why you have headphones on.
I bet these guys know what kind of wood this is. They go, is that pine? Well, I want to make a hummingbird or a bear.
You would think they would know.
Yeah. Good one.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Who is
wow.
that guy?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Look at the detail.
Did that with a chainsaw?
Yeah. Oh, and they're doing like the bottom part now too. Like I saw that one guy doing, a bear and then an owl. Like they've got 2 characters from Winnie the Pooh now.
Yeah.
Why not do Piglet and Tigger?
Yeah. Oh, okay, so it's not just...
Yeah.
It's not just... chainsaws.
They got that thing now.
Drills. What? That looks like a mean ass eagle.
Yeah.
And that other eagle looks fat as shit.
Oh, that's the timer.
Makes sense. Why not make it out of a piece of wood?
Yeah.
And that's a blowtorch?
Yeah.
Why is that terrifying?
The
That
owls
owl
are
is-
a little creepy to look
Yeah.
at least directly in the eyes.
Yeah.
This is a creature that can turn its head 360 degrees.
That's wild. That dude. Oh.
Oh, it's not an automatic one.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's drinking out that, whatever you
Flower.
call it.
That is insane, dude.
Wow. Time's up.
Some fantastic work on top of 3 days on these big pieces.
Oh, yeah, you have to be experienced. You have to know exactly where you're going. You don't have to. You can't fool around. You got to hit your last cut on your first cut, and just really know what you're doing. I've loved wood and woodworking since I was a child, and I've loved trees. I thought chainsaws were the neatest tool ever made, and all of a sudden I saw somebody else carving, and everything kind of came together. It's getting huge. I've done it 31 years, and I've traveled all over the states, and it was hard to find somebody to talk shop to. It's another carver. And now when I go in town, there's 3 or 4, and they come and see me, and so the explosion of the art form has really been tremendous. I think the people really love it. You know, it's just so interesting just to watch a block turn into a piece of artwork. It is artwork. Nothing about it. If Michelangelo had chainsaws, he would have used them.
That last thing made it for me.
Yeah.
If Michelangelo had chainsaws, he would use them like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, like, mad respect. 2 thumbs up. I'm giving 2 thumbs up.
This is awesome.
It takes some skill to do that. Like, make art out of it. Like, at first I thought they were just bullshitting with chainsaws, but now I understand. Like, it's art. Like,
I mean,
honestly,
God,
that was worth it. That was definitely worth it for me.
It's like these guys are sons of lumberjacks.
Yeah.
Whose fathers didn't let them express themselves artistically. And so instead of, like, Dad, I just want to dance. It's like, no, son, go cut down trees. Yeah. And it's like, well, I just have this chainsaw. And he made art.
Yeah.
So I feel like, yeah, man, that's
like the plot of the follow-up to Billy Elliot.
I just want to dance, Dad. No, you're going to cut down trees.
That's the American Billy Elliot right there. with chainsaws.
Yeah, man.
Da 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 da. Dring dring. Dring dring.
Yeah. This thing that's crazy, man. I like this guy. He made the hummingbird.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't know what he was. I thought he took the biggest piece of wood, made the smallest bird because it would save him time. Nope. That looked 10 times harder than what everyone else did.
Yeah. Mad respect. Mad respect for that.
I wonder how much your artwork goes for.
I don't know.
Let us know. There's some space on the shelf.
Yeah, send us one. We'll put it like
send us one.
between the guitars.
Small one. Like ish that big.
Mm-hmm. Another work of art made from wood.
Yeah. Last night.
Exactly. Thank y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing, hitting that bell, and sharing with your friends.
Definitely share with your friends, guys.
Let us know more weird sports to check out.
Definitely.
Until next time, wash your hands, scrub your toes, wipe your ass, and blow your nose.
And everybody suck.
See y'all next time.
Later.